Lurch. Whenever a loco-pilot or guard experiencing any abnormal condition in the track over which his train has passed and considers that portion of the track is detrimental for safe running of subsequent trains, he will take the following actions. Stop his train at the home signal of the next station and inform station master through available means of communication. In case section is provided with IB signal, he stops his train and inform the station master and loco pilots of the train coming in rear. In case of automatic signaling section, stop the train, protect and inform the station master and loco pilots coming in rear. On arrival at the next station, loco pilot shall give message in writing to the station master mentioning the kilometer. Station master shall immediately inform the station in rear, section controller and engineering staff. Engineering staff shall immediately proceed to the spot either by light engine or track machines or tower wagon or in their absence by train to inspect the track. Station master shall arrange to issue caution order to the loco pilot of the train to stop before the expected portion of the track and pass only after engineering staff certify the track. Engineering staff shall arrange to advise the notice of the caution order at the site either personally or through the loco pilot of the train. In the absence of engineering officials, trains will be sent. Loco pilot will be advised by the caution order to stop before the expected portion of the track. Loco pilot shall stop before the expected portion of the track, see the condition of the track, if considered safe, pass at 10 km/h. On arriving at the next station, subsequent trains shall be given a caution order restricting the speed to 10 km/h until certified by the engineering officials. Loco pilot, if considers unsafe, shall return back to the same station observing the pushing back rules. If pushed back, no trains shall be sent in the section till the engineering officials certify the track fit. In case station master receives a message of sabotage or likely sabotage, bomb blast, explosion, etc., he shall not permit any train in the block section until precaution, as mentioned earlier, is taken. In case guard experiencing lurch, he shall advise the loco pilot and loco pilot shall take necessary action as required. When loco pilot or guard experiencing any obstruction or any other unsafe condition on or near the track adjacent to the line over which his train has passed and which in his opinion is detrimental to safe running, he will take the following actions. Stop his train, switch on the flasher light, protect the adjacent line obstruction, continue the journey keeping the flasher light in on, and report to the station master of the next station. Station master receiving the information shall take the action as mentioned earlier. Rail breakage. Loco pilot while on run observes rail breakage or fracture shall take the following actions. Stop his train immediately and protect the spot, assuming it as obstruction. If he considers safe, pass the spot with a restricted speed of 10 km per hour, and on arrival at the next station, he informs the station master. Station master shall arrange to dispatch further trains by restricting the speed to 15 km per hour at the spot until certified by the engineering officials. If it is not safe to pass, the loco pilot shall give information to the station master and section controller. Station master and section controller advise engineering staff to certify the track. Loco pilot pass the spot only after certified by the engineering staff. Whenever keyman, trackman, patrolman notice a wheeled failure or fracture, they shall immediately protect the spot, measure the rail breakage. If it is less than 30 mm, they shall arrange to pass the first train at a speed of 10 km per hour. If it is more than 30 mm or multiple fractures, in which case trains shall pass only after the track is certified fit